Well, today we're going to be looking at a Viewmaster set of the Black Hole. So for anyone that doesn't know, well, I suppose anyone under about 30, Viewmaster was a company that put out 3D slide reels that you viewed in a viewer. They started off doing like travelogue ones, so you could see the Grand Canyon, that sort of thing, and they rapidly went into where they would license film and TV shows, and this one is from the 1981, probably 1980 film Black Hole from Disney, which is a great film, one of my favourites. So let's have a look. So this is the UK packaging, like rack packaging. Gaff Viewmaster. Gaff was a camera company, I want to say. So 21 stereo photos, Walt Disney, and the Black Hole. It's still got like Woolworths sticker on it. And then you've got some really nice artwork, and then the discs, which I'll get out and show you. And then on the back, it's got a bit of a burn mark on it, I think. So you get a rundown of the film. So, cruising through the far reaches of outer space, the crew of the Palomino spots the ghost ship Cygnus. It does absolutely sort of ruin the film for you, I suppose, but then I suppose you need this to understand the reels. 79. That was a little bit earlier than I thought. I thought it was 1980. I suppose it would be 79, same year as Star Trek Motion Picture. And then the packaging, when it was this style, the sort of rack version, you'd have to pop a panel out, which tends to ruin the packaging. The 60s ones and sort of early 70s came in like wax packets with little booklet. I've got a Bambi one, I can show you in a second what they used to look like. I've got quite a few of these, so let me just get these out. So you get 3 reels, 21 slides in total. I suppose actually 42 slides, because there's 2 slides, one on each side, to make up. Let me go up to the light. So you get like one on each side to make up the picture, and you view them in a 3D viewer. This is an old Bakelite one I got. So I've still actually got the box from it. So. The Sawyer's Viewmaster. Sawyer's, Portland, Oregon. 3rd dimension pictures in Kodachrome. That's good. Being attacked by my camera. So what you would do is you'd get your slide and you'd pop it in. You got 2 notches, and that's the top, the start of the disc. So you pop it in, so 2 notches at the top, and there's a little window, and that gives you part of the story. So you'd read that, you go, Reinhard attempts to turn Kate into a humanoid, and then you would look through and see a 3D image, and the 2 pictures were slightly offset, so it is actually a really good 3D stereoscopic version. Is there a date on this? I can't see one. Pat Pendin, he did a lot of stuff, didn't he, old Pat? Mr. Pat Pendin. So what I've done is I've taken photos of all the slides, so I'll put this on at the end of it so you can have a look at the story if you want. But yeah, you got 3 reels, so you'd start at sort of slide 1, and then it would give you a little rundown. So USS Palomino explores deep space, a mysterious ship floats near the black hole, Cygnus running lights. So you would sort of make out the story, and then you would look at the images and see the film. So it's really good. I mean, my childhood was filled with these. I used to buy them all the time. Wish I still had my original collection. And let me just get that Bambi one out. We'll have a look what the old ones look like. So this is how they used to come in the 60s. So you'd get them in a nice little slide, keeps them nice and safe and tells you how to look after them. And you would get a booklet that told you the story. Ew, Bambi blood. Who killed Bambi? So it takes each sort of scene that you're looking at and gives you a story in much more detail. I like these. I used to have the Star Trek and a Man from U.N.C.L.E. and that in this style. This one still got the order leaflet in. It's interesting. Let's have a look at this. I've had this out for ages. So there's a little projector that he can project from his groin. New York from your groin as a camera for taking 3D photos. It's a big craze when it's 3D. Cleaning kits. Let's have a look. And then different Viewmasters, so you can get different, like basic, so you got standard, most popular. Lighted, oh, that's interesting, so you could view it in the dark, that's good. And focusing, so you got adjustable focus for people like me that wear glasses. And then different ones, so you got Europe. So these again, these are all sort of cities and towns. But there was TV and cartoons. So let's have a look. What have we got in this one? So adventure stories. So I suppose not film connected, but it'll be like they used to use clay models and stuff. So then you've got film connected, TV, special interest, Walt Disney. Quite an early one, this, I think. Years on it. And then you tick what you want, fold it up, send your check or postal order. 32 shillings, 6pence. That's quite interesting. I'd forgotten I'd even got that one. So yeah, so it was a good toy. I loved it. I used to like anything that projected. Like I got a video of Doctor Who Give a Show projector on here. If you check my playlists. But let's have a look at the story of the black hole. Well, I hope you enjoyed the story of the black hole, and I hope it made sense to you. If you want to see more of these Viewmasters, I got like Star Trek the Motion Picture, Buck Rogers, things like that, let me know, and I'll do some more. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can, it does help the channel, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then, bye.